In this video, I'm going to show you how to multi-wallet on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a reward system which gives you Solana back literally just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, you can use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions, you can set your own presets for both buy and sell settings with your own custom slippage, priority and bribe fees, you can use their MEV protection, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually use the multi-wallet on Axiom, you want to go to the portfolio up here. And here you can see I already have 3 wallets. Now, if you only have one, you should create new wallet over here or import it using a private key and the import wallet button over here. And once you have your wallets, you can actually create a multi-wallet portfolio by just selecting them over here. And when they are colored blue, it's going to say 3 or however many wallets are active. As you can see, this is changing. And the golden one or the orange one is actually your main wallet, while these over here are going to be your secondary wallets over here, but you also have as well a multi-wallet portfolio. You can then use this whenever you're trading, for example, on Pulse over here. You can go ahead and see that there's your 3 wallets active and you can use this however you want. You can also see it down here. You can see your active wallets. You can quickly switch in between them and trade that way. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.